The atmosphere is very good.
Yes, that is why I said we should come and sit here.
Mm-hmm.
And then, moreover, to discuss one or two issues
Okay.
that has been a hindrance to me. And I believe we'll be able to solve this issue today.
Okay.
And once and for all. Baby, you do remember and you know very well that I have a lady whom I live with who happens to be my wife. And then you know very well, aside everything, she's my wife and I still love her. Based on any respective of anything at all. But there are certain things which really bothers me so much. Because the way sometimes you talk when she's doing something like previous some time ago do you remember you were watching TV and then she was also watching TV. Look at what really transpired. Based on that, I have to tell her to rather stop, and then it really made her to walk out, not even confronting me. So I'll plead with you. She's my wife, irrespective of anything at all. So why?
I'm listening. Talk.
And then sometimes the way you talk to her, I don't really like it. It's like instead of versa, it's rather vice versa. Instead of clockwise, it's rather anti-clockwise. When I'm in my room, it really punches me a lot because it's like you are rather the madam of this house, but she is the madam in this house. It's just that things have changed and things have turned.
Fee, congrats.
That's what?
You've gotten the audacity to come and say all these things to me. I love her. She's the madam of this house.
I know it to be a privilege because it's one out of
Your
1,000
wife.
for me to get a very good and fresh air and to sit here with you.
Your wife, right? So who is Junior and I to you?
You're also so precious to me. You know it, and that is something that can change it. You're so precious, especially you, in addition to Junior.
So when I need something, and she also needs it, you expect me to give it to her, right?
No. It's about me. It's about you telling me to go and buy some for you. But not in respect of restricting her to, snatch what she's holding. But everybody wants to prove she is a madam. Which will be the true Obi. And will be true Obi. And a bit true Obi. You see, it makes me the man of the house. It looks so stupid, which is not supposed to be like that. But you being the junior, I know you are easily and you'll be convinced with what I am telling you. Okay.
Affirmative.
Just like that.
Affirmative.
I hope you're not angry. I'm only trying to explain.
Affirmative.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
You are crying. What's wrong with you?
It's all about Tilly. Sandra, it's all about Tilly. Can't find her. See? She never see me near me. Tilly is not around. She's not around. I don't know where to find her. Tilly.
You have to forget about this, okay? What are you doing to yourself? Look at what she's doing to yourself.
Me bow no. Sandra.
What do you mean so be here because of this issue, okay? We are Bema, so we need to be here for yourself. Never is always said if you are sitting and crying, if I'm not caught, if you will remember number back and now, no. What is wrong with you?
You know I really love Tilly. You know I really love her.
Meaning so Tilly. I know everything, but the way you honor is not right, okay?
For the past 5 days, me home Tilly. I don't know where to find her. You know, and can Tilly firm just a phone call, I'll be okay with that. Let Tilly can say I'm okay, I'll be okay with that. But no, can't find Tilly.
Meaning they will go through. I really understand what you're going through, but you have to relax, okay? What you're doing to yourself is not good.
Come on.
Relax, man. No, meaning maybe I'll tell you what.
What?
Yes.
Do you know where she is?
I mean to me sure. It means to me sure. Meaning a corona wants to know. But meaning if you know. And Mrs. Stepping anymore.
Then let's go to her.
I'm control. You know my sister. I'm control.
God, I missed it.
No, don't do this.
I missed it.
No. Come here. Don't do this to yourself. No.
Tilly!
Baby, stop it. Don't do this. I really understand what you're going through, but also no one solved the problem.
Come on, it will solve it. I'm not feeling comfortable here. I'm
know,
alone. I'm alone.
Stop it. Stop it. No, what did you? Have you eaten?
I'm not feeling it.
You have to eat something. Go and dress up. Let's go out.
I really want to see Tilly. I really want to hear
Go
his
and dress
voice.
up. Let's go out.
My phone.
You have to eat something.
Oh,
I'll bring it down.
Tilly.
Stop it.
You are very, very, very recalcitrant. Now you listen. You better get this into your damn skull, baby. This baby isn't your child. I've said it several times and I'm telling you again. The baby isn't your child. You can't even feather my child. What kind of human are you? Berry, listen to me. Stay away from my child and I. Don't ever call us again. Don't even try calling my number again. Okay?
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
When said no, China for them no. Thank you, compare a assassin to Bunting food. Your choir won't to me at assassin. But I'm a present class. She has seen me more. Won't to me a cotas.
Yes, someone is away in your power.
And yet a Ghana for Nankasana because China for the Kenyan Commander Prophet. Sir?
Yeah, come in. Oh, hi, Sandra.
Yeah.
How is it?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm good.
Because serious here when you mention
Yeah, Madam Fija, Mono, Barry Chan, and
that's it.
Oh, maybe we can have to put a home kiss me upon a 7 and 7.
Oh, very rich.
Yeah.
But because shop no was I'm saying my fan check up on you.
Oh, okay, wow.
How so
That's
much
nice.
did you?
So I begin deal.
Try that.
A whole lot of things, you know.
Time cool. Get into one, you know. Time we have to eat something.
We're having
Oh,
conversation.
yeah, you're fasting because you're about watching it advance that.
No, passion the condition is not good for fasting.
Only the yes, who did it?
It's not really dynamic with the food stuffs by so what you want.
Wow, what a surprise.
And then can you go looking at the mood? And now what the money buy?
No, maybe still when your man rice in the Bible. I'm not about coming to my market.
No.
You'll be okay with the rice, you don't worry.
Yeah.
Okay. No, I'm in a cup. One back is maybe down.
Yeah.
Rich.
Something is turning out. Everything go. Yeah.
Rachel.
You've got 777 pieces.
Very good. Don't go that way, go this way.
Yeah?
Yeah. I love the way you are walking. Make yourself comfortable. Go in. I know my baby definitely needs some perk from me.
And you know what?
No.
I'm going to give birth to a baby who looks just like his father.
Of course, a bouncy baby boy.
Yeah.
He'll be named by
Junior. I want him to be named by you. I mean Junior you.
Of course, no comment. Excuse me, Ella. I beg of you. As you know, she's carrying my bouncing baby boy who looks just like me. And then, you know, she can't be doing any hard work in this house. She can't be doing hard work. So I beg of you, with your due respect, I want you to support her whenever she's in need of something. Like maybe washing of her clothes, including her panties and underwear. And then, at least, when she needs some food, specified food, please, you do prepare that for her. Because my baby needs some vitality, at least to make my baby strong. And then she can't be doing hard work, including maybe cooking utensils and those stuffs. I beg of you, you do that for me by, washing them and then position them at the right place. At, her apartment. Okay? I know she'll definitely do that. She respects me a lot, and then now she'll be definitely her command.
Alright, honey. Honey, and if maybe I feel like taking it.
No, we are not done with you.
Honey, what's that?
I don't really know, but don't worry. Whatever you need, just tell me. I'll talk to her. She'll do it for you.
Are you sure she's really
Of course. My wish should be definitely her command.
Honey.
You were saying something.
Junior wants to feel you.
I can feel the hurt. Oh my goodness. Junior, let me get you some drink. Junior wants some drink. Can't you see that?
And a peg for Junior?
What a lovely peg for my lovely husband. I believe Junior needs some drink. Let me serve you.
Alright, honey.
Junior needs some drink, so let me get you some. As usual, don't see more drink.
Alright.
This is, of course, multifruta. But it's banana, apple, strawberry.
Finally, I'm about to taste your food. Wow.
So pray.
Heavenly Father, bless it for us. Amen.
Amen.
Why?
We'll take it
Are you
like
so
that.
bad?
Just eat.
Alright.
No, eat first and tell me.
Really? Alright, let me taste it. One more time and see. Wow. It tastes good, great, very delicious.
Thank you.
I'll give you 100%. Come on. Come on, will you help me?
Okay.
Alright, let's do it.
So I'm done with the washing. I will iron it before leaving.
Wow. Come on. Sandra, you know, I'm grateful for what you have been doing for me. You know, I just say ultimately Joe Fieba, Babuame, Sibinema Kojom. You know, sometimes you even surprise me with a lot of provisions. I'm grateful.
Okay. I just want you to be happy. Okay. I drink bunny now, drinking negative. Just forget about it. Okay. Yes, you can do nothing about it. Eat your food.
Come on, please help me. Come on, don't tell me you're
No.
You have to eat with me.
Prince, I don't know. You are in black.
And the day I would Emma Ella Nifi.
Why this?
Fee, who can send you a young grano? A buyer no report by Ella.
The Game Boy.
Have you? I don't want to go to school. Oh, here I am. See, I dear. What if power I dear? I just show you. What do that in the Acrorati? Now no one go school. Now no Sarah go school. She you not about to Tata. And I was a share say with you your teachers men go school me boy. Huh? What's your way? Ah. Who share money pay na tena fie me boy. Ana onim sa wo yale. Yo, what if I black so na me nya kwan. Oma wiska. Wo papa ma wiska say fa ko school. Afia. Wo se ma wiska say ko school. What's one year me and so ha? It feels so yakra bone. What's also no troja? Aha, what's one moska? Aha, what's one moska? By na me tia me ya. Efia. What the wabra bought to chacha? Say school when in hu a, efia me ka bibia, me sole homache me no na be sole. Pa bia me kwa ko bia me de bi ba yira. Won chepe. When in school, mountain fees her own. What dachi any school no. Now they for school near Kokwasa. Now you could go consider Kodrada. Not for Tinasi. Now that you would not for him for him clatter in the big winning mossy. A cup of my won't find a chona and your pint. Asia. But I say, what she don't want to do? What do you do? I say, how many people are?
Mommy.
Oh, let you bank with free from what? Hey, you see me and the back on which tree and away yet. My car went to Muaba. If you know, see what Bessie Mitchy, about makes me shadow about Muaba. My when you have.
Am I any journey, dear?
Yeah, oh, you know, you are not the body in this wife. Kind to say, be a biddy me answer, Miss Medi me answer. Oh, I didn't so be dear. Why? Oh, they don't know, dear. Why?
My ash will see you because
fear near foot, may I say. Maybe I see any. Bye-bye. What am I saying?
I come with them.
Now come do this woman. Huh? This is a winning say. I don't papa.
They will quite full.
Then to papa the ben pan or back me. Come with where I mean Munawati. That's a winning say. Yeah. What did I provide? But I'm showing this is your Banchi. They know the Banchiaba. We did for Tom. Oh, into Chileni. No what I don't show the ash children. What to choose it, Tracy, no what to beef. Kakra. Oh, what no so bad. This is another account. Why?
Don't know Auntie Kyekyeku.
Auntie Kyekyeku. Why? I have more money. Since one see the near fire and one. Why? I don't want to Moku. And no one couldn't be anchor. No what to do is about to see the why. Better the cat or better freedom with your money. How? Why? It's I know what to buy you want see the why.
My hand ain't talking.
Messi to buy you man cassette pano. There be no driano cement pano count. And then it's saying, come here. I'm feeling this is to the
Game Boy.
From the beat.
Boy, the movie didn't sound. Why are they? What's the answer to some why are they? Who knew why? Huh? Small get a man, no matter small one who know. Frog was soon, because I was also like, huh? I developed so many of Miss Mother says in the Una, oh, I found a way in the field, saying another boat trip. Huh?
And Yamio, may make me name the buy.
Wouldn't the buy then buy?
Me name the
Fro, so him the buy, not Bowser. Huh? You have been a commission this palm, or say, what Jim, saying I wouldn't buy. No, buy my way. Number so away. Who get? The beer but behind the Anton friend. I got to our Cotonoma. A papa to the woo. Now, my new cause, Madame. Frog, now you may not know. Yes, I've been over Jemmy. Huh? Me no, yes, I've been over Jemmy. It's a big meal for Anna with our fifth form. My new class, where Madame Fukra. Fro, boy. Prince.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be.